Okay, welcome back guys. So now let's export this out to back to Zbrush and then start doing operating base for this. So let me start let's start with the wristwatch. And I'll just export selection. So I'll be exporting this out as an OBJ instead. So I'll scroll down. This should be okay, this is ZZ export. This is fine, this is where we're supposed to be. Wristwatch. So I'll just replace it with this. Yes. Okay. Then I'll export the body now. Export the body, visual body. Yes. English shirts. Where is that? English. Okay. Shirts. Not selecting it yet. Not yet selected. Shirt buttons. Shirt button. Sports. Main trousers. Sports. Main belts. Main belts. Sports. Yeah, remember I'm going to reduce the size of these glasses. Inner eyes. Almost done. Outer eyes. Okay, outer eyes. I think we did like a layout for that. So shoelace. Shoelace. Where is this shoelace? Okay, main shoelace. Shoe hole. Okay, shoe hole. Then lastly, the shoe. Alright, think we're good. So now we're going to head back to, let me do a quick save for this. So we're going to head back to ZBrush and then re-import all of those in. You just follow the hierarchy of things in here. So have to keep in mind the resolution we exported this out from. So we exported this out from subdivision level 1. So we're going to import that to this on the same subdivision level. So import z export. Let's look for the body. So I've imported that in now. Let's go to the next piece. The English shirts. take this down. Subdivision level. I think we explored this out as subdivision level 1. So import should be arranged alphabetically. Imported correctly. I want to be sure I imported this body properly, so let me just import again. Okay, cool. So main belt, I think we add this at the same subdivision level, so let's import main belt. Right, main trousers, I think we add this at the lower subdivision level. Then I'm going to import this now at the lower subdivision level. So main trousers. Right, great. So now let's go to the next one. Next one should be the glasses. So selecting the glasses, we need to make these glasses way smaller than it is right now, just massive. So add this at the same level. So I'm going to import this in now. Select the glasses, import. So since we are here, I would like to scale this down some more. Let me turn off symmetry and do this scaling for this. Let's just scale this down. Let me turn off this side there for now. Let me turn it off for now. Wait, it's not even turned off yet. Okay, I need to select. Select the glasses. Okay. Let me see if this size is okay. Let me just put this here. And I'll try to figure out if this size is okay. I think this should be fair enough. So now we have this sticking in. Let me just probably use the move brush now. Let's get this out. Get this out. And raise it up a bit more. Turn off symmetry now. Raise it up a bit more. Okay. Turn on symmetry. I don't think I want this part to be that wide. Let me push this in. Yeah, I think this should be fine. Yes, yeah, this should be fine. It should be fine. So now let's go to the next one. Phew. I also need to kind of let me export this now. Let me export the glasses now and replace the one we previously have. Smooth normal. Export. I'll just replace this. Okay. And I'll go back to Maya and I'll delete these glasses. I'll just replace it with the new one we just created. Z exports. Okay, it's in now. I think the size is slightly better now. So back in here, onto the next one. So shoe. I think we exported it out at the lowest subdivision level. That's fine. So let's do an import. Should be main shoe. Okay, successfully imported. Shoe hole. Shoe hole. Import. Okay. So you have to be careful so you don't import something else on top of another object. So shoelace. Import. Shoelace. Shoelace. A main shoelace. Import. Shirt button. Shirt button. Okay, this is it here. Shirt button. Now this wristwatch. We made some corrections to this. I think I'm going to turn this off and do an append this sphere in here. Let me take this where the wristwatch should be. And I'm going to import that new wristwatch on top of this. Okay. Then this particular piece, I'm going to shoot this one up. So I'll just shoot that up. And select the new piece. Okay. Then the outer eyes. There's an import for this. Outer eyes. Where is that? Okay, outer eyes. Imported. Inner eyes. Which subdivision level do we even export this out from? Yeah, I think subdivision level 4. It's like 6K. Let's just be sure. So I'm just going to go to display, heads up display, poly count. So selected mesh 6K. Okay, it's correct. So let's put this at subdivision level 4 at 6K. So 6K poly count. So inner eyes, I believe. Okay. I think we're pretty much done. Yes, we're pretty much done. So I'll just do a quick save now. Then we can start. Baking out the relevant maps for this. So now let's start baking. So let's start with baking for the body. So Let's start with the body. Let's isolate this. Wait, it's supposed to. Okay, I saw something in here that I need to fix. Something in here that I need to fix. Yes, I've seen it now. So increasing the subdivision level for the body and for the clothes. I see that there's something in here. So I'm just gonna push this out. Turn up symmetry. Remove to. Just raise this out some more. Okay. So let me just go around and check. This is just to be sure. Just to be sure I don't have any of those around here. Yeah, I think we're good. Yeah, we're good. So back to the main body. Isolate this. Let me just put this guy around here for now. Okay, then I'll go to the lowest subdivision level since we're making from the lowest subdivision level. Then let's see. Normal map. Okay, no, before we do that, UV map. Put this at 4K resolution. Then normal map. Tangent, smooth UV, smooth normal. That's completely fine. So create normal map now. Let's give this a moment. Okay, that was fast. So we're done. So let's do clone normal. Then go to texture. I'll click on flip V. Export. So in this Z export, I'm just going to create another new folder and name this Z map. Name this Z map. Okay. So open this up. I'd like to save this as PNG instead. So save. So we're done saving now. So let's go back. Let's check the map for this. Let's check the map I've baked out for this. Let's see if everything's working correctly. So we have this in here now. So let's just zoom in. You can see how this came out. So the hands, obviously. This is the body. This is the ear. We have the face around here. Yeah, I think we are good. This will be just fine. I don't really see any major issue in there, so let's go to the next one. The English shirts. So I'll go to the lowest subdivision level for this. UV map, making sure we're making this at 4K resolution. Normal map, all fine. Create normal map. Clone map. Flip V. Export. With this as PNG. Save. On to the next one. Belts. So there are no subdivision level for this, so let's just make sure we have this at 4K resolution. Normal map. Create normal map cannot be created while the highest subdivision level is active, so let's just subdivide this one more, probably one more extra. Then let's go to the lowest subdivision level, then bake this out. So create map. Wait, let me be sure if I have this at 4K resolution. Yeah, it's at 4K resolution. So clone map, texture, flip V, export, PNG, save. Okay, next piece, main trousers. You're already on the lowest resolution level, that's fine. So UV map, 4K resolution, normal map, create normal map. Clone map, texture, flip V, exports. The reason why we're flipping V is because Zbrush looks at things upside down, so we have to kind of flip this vertically. So PNG, save. Okay. I need to actually clean most of these files, most of the files up later on. So glasses, let's just divide these ones. Maybe one more, just to get this piece a bit smoother. So let's go to the lowest subdivision level now. UV map 4K, normal map, create normal map. Okay, clone map, flip V, export, save. Next one, shoe. Wait, do I still have everything that is copied in? Okay, yes, everything is still in there. That's fine. So go back to lowest subdivision level. Now UV map 4K resolution, normal map. I'm supposed to make a displacement map for the body. Let's just create this first. Let's just bake all the normal map out first. Then after that we can decide to start baking out displacement map. Okay, clone, flip V, export, PNG. Okay, what's the next piece? Shoe hole. Now this one definitely needs some subdivision level before we can bake, because it won't bake without subdivision level. But let's get the closer view on there first. I want to be sure if I subdivide this, there won't be any. Okay, there are no weird issues. So, UV map, 4K resolution, create normal map, clone map, click V, export, PNG, save. I believe you have. Let me check. I want to just be sure. Just want to make sure I have everything that has to do with the shoe in the same UV layout. Okay, we have everything on the same UV layer, so that's fine. So you are good to go. So let's carry on. Shoelace. Yeah, I think we already have some subdivision levels in here already. Let's pick out 4K, normal map, create normal map. Okay, clone map, flip V, export, PNG, save. Shared buttons. Yeah, I need to subdivide this. I don't know if I subdivide. I hope this doesn't break when I subdivide though. So let's add a subdivision level to this. Graciously, it did not break. Divide this one more. Let's go to the lowest subdivision level. I'm picking out 4K resolution. Wait, hold up. Hold up. So to have this button, shirt button and the English shirts. Wow. Wow. Okay. So to have this on the same UV layout. You know what? I'll leave this the way it is. I'll leave this the way it is. I won't add them together with this. So I'll leave them the way it is. Yes, I'll just leave them the way it is. So let's just break out normal map for this separately. I like to have this capture some resolution to it because I like to do some kind of extra level of detailing on these buttons just to make it feel more interesting. So I'll leave it the way it is. Then normal map, create normal map. Okay, clone map, flip V, export PNG button, save. Okay. Now we have now the wristwatch. Yeah, I need to subdivide this. This smooth enough. Let's do one more. Then go to the lowest subdivision level for this. UV map, 4K resolution, normal map, create normal map. Okay, clone map, texture, flip V, export. This is quite a lot of exporting, but it's still an important part of the process. Though boring, but still important. Yeah, we're almost done. So outer eyes, we already have subdivision levels in here already, so that's fine. So let's just make this at 4K resolution, normal map, create normal map, clone map, texture, flip V, export, PNG, save. Right. Inner eyes, UV map, 4K resolution, normal map. Almost done. So I'm going to be making displacement map for this eye, inner part of the eye, and for also the main body. So we have this now. So clone map, texture, flip V, exports, PNG. So I would like to check this particular map for the eye, for the inner eye. So let's check this out. So I just bake the inner eyes now, and I'm noticing that something is very wrong with the inner eyes, not baking correctly. Can't even find the details for the eye in here. Detail for the eye in here is supposed to be around here. It's supposed to be around here somewhere, but it's not. So I'm going to increase the subdivision level on this. Increase the subdivision level again. So let me bake from this subdivision level 6 instead. So let's bake again. So create normal map. Okay. This is not baking correctly at all. Something is awfully and terribly wrong. Flip V. Export again. So we have the inner eyes 1. Let's take a look at this. Still can't see the detail baked in here. Which is like the strangest thing. Like I can't see nothing. Let's try baking the displacement map. Let's see. So displacement map, smooth V, flip V, create displacement map. It's rather strange. Clone displacement map. I've cloned this already. Why is it not showing in here? Can't find it in here. Okay, let's just create an export. Yes, T5 should be fine. Let's give this a moment. It's going to ask us if we want to save the object file. We'll use no. Let's go in and check. Let's check. We'll click on this and let's check if we have this baked in correctly. I need to fix this. So I'm going to try different forms of bake. If this doesn't bake correctly, then I'll just have to export this out to an external software and then bake that in probably almost a 2 bag. Let's see what we have now. Now we still have absolutely nothing. It's supposed to be baking in here, but we have absolutely nothing. There's probably an issue with the mesh. So let's try to fix this. This is just weird. I have absolutely no idea why it's not baking correctly. And the numbers are not flipped. The numbers are not flipped on this. Numbers are quite fine, but it's just not baking correctly. Okay. I'd like to actually let's try another way of baking this. So let me delete this three of this, delete it. Let's try another form of baking. Let's bake with the Z plugin in here. So multi-map exporter. So I'm baking the displacement and the normal map at 4K resolution. So I open the options for baking. On the displacement map, adaptive smooth UV, that's fine. No, let me subdivision level 4 instead. Normal map subdivision level 4 also. Okay, that seems fine. Then we click on create map. Yeah, I like to create the map in here. So PSD. Cancel this for now. I think it will be the normal map. I want to bake this. Normal map. I want to bake this as PNG instead. Okay, no worries. Let's just bake and then we'll just check. Let's check what that gives us. Let's just hope this bakes correctly. If not, then we'll just have to bake this out in an external software. Okay. So let's go and check that folder. Let's see what we have in our SPNG. Still have the exact same issue. Interesting. Okay, let's try another approach. Let's create some new UVs for this. Okay. I have another idea also for this. Let's see. I will delete lower. Yeah, no worries. I'll just merge the entire layer. I already have a backup for this, so big all. So delete lower. Let's go one step higher. Then we'll do another delete lower. Wait a minute. Something is oddly wrong. Let me give this a separate poly group. No, this mesh is actually broken somehow. This mesh feels broken somehow. This mesh feels broken. Yes. Because now if I'm trying to, let's say I do something like this now. I'm trying to give that a separate poly group, but it's not working. Almost like we have, I don't even understand what. Let's see, there's something here called fixed mesh integrity, check mesh integrity, mesh successful, fixed mesh. Okay. Let's try, where's the display? Why is the distribution to be active? No, I don't want that. That will just take too long a time to kind of do that. Okay, wait, I think, yes, okay, sorry, mistake. Turn off the texture map for this. So I'm going to do like, let's do like another kind of, I'm just gonna give this like a, let me turn off displacement, I mean perspective rather. I'm just gonna create UVs inside of Zbrush. Then here's the UV master. Great. UV master, turn off symmetry, polygroup, unwrap. Okay. Let's try baking this again. So let's bake this again. Create normal map. Just trying to figure out what would work for this. Yes, correct. Now we have something in there now. We actually have something in there now. This is how it's supposed to be. So now I think I'm going to export this mesh and do proper and do another type of UV. Do a cleaner UV rather inside of Maya. So inner eyes. So I'll delete this. Let's bring in another inner eyes in here. So bring this in. Great, I totally forgot. Oh man, totally forgot. I'm supposed to merge. Let's just select all of this. Now do it delete. So go back in here. So before I export this out, I'd like to do export settings. Turn off group. I'm not missing anything. Okay, inner eyes, turn off group, export this out again. Yes, back in here. So I'll just drag this inside again. So we should have this in here now. So I'm going to try and do a much cleaner UV in here. So double click on this edge, or rather double click on this edge instead. Oh, that's the name. Just delete all of this. Just do this once. So camera base, edge. You have this edge still selected. So let's do a cut. Select this to unfold. Layouts. Almost done. Okay, that's fine. Except maybe I'd like to get this one a bit smaller around here. Get this a bit bigger. Kind of put this almost in the center like so. Since this back part is not going to be, it's not going to be actually more kind of visible in our final render, so let's just leave that the way it is. Do a quick save. Select this, export selection, inner eyes. Yes. Come back in here, import inner eyes. You do a group by group, auto group with UV. You have this now. So now let's bake again. So normal map, focus is fine. Normal map, with normal map. Okay, yeah, so now we have something in there now. So clone map, texture, flip, export, zmap, png, save. So now you can go and check that now. So you can check that map now. Inner eyes, okay. Yeah, I need to delete this one, this placement map. So now we have something in there now. So now you can actually see the details now being baked out correctly. So great. That's fixed and out of the way now. So now let's create displacement map for this. Let's create a new displacement map for this. So the settings is actually okay. So create and export. Yes. So no, I don't export the mesh. So we should have this in here now. This is it in here now. So let's double click on this and let's view this. This is the other map. We don't need this texture anymore. So let's delete this one. Just give this a moment to load. So while that is loading, I can bake the displacement for the body. It's already shown at the back already. Where is it? Okay, this is it. Huh? This is not what we're trying to view. Okay, so now we can see the iris in there now. Baked out correctly. That's fine. So let's make the normal map for the body. Turn off this dynamic. Let's make normal map. Let's make displacement map for the body. So I don't think there's any other part I need to pick displacement map for. The other parts can normal map will just work just fine. Normal map will just work just fine, I believe. Or maybe maybe we cannot big just to have like a file that we can work with later on if we need to. I think I'll big displacement map for this for the English shirts, then for the trousers, and that's pretty much it. So for the body now, let's pick displacement map for this body. So displacement map, smooth UV, flick V, create displacement map. Let's give this a moment to kind of create our displacement map. Okay, that didn't take too much time. No. Now that is completed. Oh man, I think I missed one thing. Yeah, I've turned it on already. Flip V. So you should have the body in here now. So this is the body in here now, so that's fine. I'll do the same for this English shirts. Smooth V, flip V, export. Yes. No. Are we done? Let me check this. Yeah, it's done already. Let's select this piece now. Okay, let's get this out. No. Okay, so we have these trousers in here also, so that's fine. So now, I think I'd like to kind of let's tidy up this file a bit more. So select this piece. I'll start deleting everything down here. Delete inbuilt 2. Delete. Trying to just tidy up the scene. I already have a backup for all of this, so it's not really an issue if I delete them in here. Just trying to optimize the file, so when I'm saving, I don't have a file that's just unnecessarily too large. Yeah, I think this should be fine. So let me just do a quick save. So I'll save this file. Okay. Okay, so in the next lesson we'll just see how we can import this into Substance Painter and then start texturing this